This video is going to go over how to create a brand new course in IMathAS. So the first thing you want to do is definitely log into IMathAS by going to imathas.valenciacollege.edu. When you get there, you're going to get to the login page. And so you want to log into IMathAS the same way that you would normally. Okay, so this is what your kind of home page looks like for IMathAS. This is my demo account. So I have here, you'll have the courses that you're currently teaching or have taught that have used IMathAS. So you'll probably have your intermediate algebra or developmental courses here. And then down here will be the courses that you may have taken, like maybe you were in a PD course that used IMathAS or something like that. So what you're going to do is click on Add New Course. And so for this video, we're going to start with a blank course. Now, when you have courses that you want to use, like copy from to create a new course, you could choose this option. But for this video, we're going to start with a blank course. And so now we need to give it a name and an enrollment key. So the course name is basically the name that's going to show on the list of the courses that you're teaching. And it'll also be the name that your students will see that in their courses that they're taking. So you definitely want to make sure you give it a name that distinguishes it from all of your other courses. So for your high school courses, if you are going to have a course for each period, make sure you maybe put, period 1, period 2, somewhere in the course name. So I'm going to give my course a name. If I could type. And then the enrollment key is basically, think of it as a password for your course. Your students will need this series of letters or numbers to enroll themselves in the course on the first day. Then after that, they won't need it anymore, but make it something really simple. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe some phrase or word. It doesn't really matter. These options here, you don't really need to mess with. They are a little more advanced. For the purpose of this video and this course and for your high school courses, these default settings are okay. So we're going to click on submit. So now you may want to write these 2 pieces of information down because this is what your students will need to enroll into the course. The course ID distinguishes that course. It's kind of like the CRN that we have at Valencia. And then the enrollment key is kind of like the password the students have to get access to enroll in the course. So you may want to write this down or print it. You also can get this information on that home page. So you can enter the course from here and you have your brand new blank course to work with. You can always go back to home and then you'll see the courses listed here that you are currently teaching. Remember I said that you can also view the course ID and enrollment key on this page. If you click on this little wheel and click on settings, then you can view that course ID. You can actually change the course name if you want. You could change the enrollment key if you wanted to, but that is how you can always access that information as well.